Beautiful morning as usual. Let me turn my hot water on, guys. Alright, so this morning I'm gonna head out real early this morning. It's 6:30, I believe. Let's check outside. I'm editing some videos, so you're gonna hear me talking in the background. But birds are happy this morning. They're eating. They woke up early. So I got up this morning and I got like 2-3 more subscribers. The subscribers are coming in two a day, 3 a day. You know what I'm saying? To you guys who actually press that button, thank you. I appreciate the subscribe, guys. That means you'll kind of like what I'm saying, what I'm doing, my life every day. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. I can't thank you guys enough, because without you guys, this wouldn't be going forward, right? By you pressing that button, that's what motivates me to take this camera up every day and give you guys something to watch. So I appreciate those subscribers. That 125 subscribers, you guys know who you are. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I appreciate the ones who are pressing the button as we speak. So this morning I'm gonna head down to the lot because I have to pick up the pickup truck. Today they're delivering the hood, another hood, because the first one they delivered for the Peppers project, it was too short. It was a 10-foot hood. They were supposed to be sending out a 12-foot hood. So somewhere along the line someone made a mistake and sent the wrong hood. So now we're waiting on the 12-foot. So they're gonna deliver it today at between 1 and 4. So the last time I had to, if you watch those videos or whoever is following, I had to put that truck again towards the back of my pickup truck, slide it into my pickup truck, then I back up to the doors and get it down. It was me alone. I didn't have anyone to help. So what I'm gonna do this time, I'm gonna try and get a pallet jack to see if we could lower it to the ground, and we use the pallet jack and push it in. It's kind of difficult, guys, to move around because it's heavy. It's on pallet, so if it slide it on the ground, it's just too heavy to be sliding it on the ground. I managed to get it in the last time, but this time I might not be able to. It's much longer. It's gonna be heavier. So I'm gonna go by the truck yard, get my pickup truck, pick up a pallet jack, and then so later on I could just wait up there and on the delivery. So that's what I'm gonna do this morning. As far as yesterday, I got everything painted. The rooms are painted. It's just the floors to be cleaned now, and then one of the rooms I have to change a few tiles. So later on, if I come back early enough, I'll go up there and start cleaning up that room until 1. So that's what I have done for today. As far as the plans, they've been resubmitted, so we're now waiting on the county to tell us if everything is okay. However, I am speaking with the plumbers now. There's a section of it putting in the grease trap. They could start putting in the grease trap without waiting on that permit. It's a separate permit they have to pull for that on the outside of the building, so they could go ahead and start working on that. So I'm gonna speak with the plumber today and see if we could orchestrate all of that part. Anyhow, I got the content coming, guys. It's I'm filming every day. I take this camera up every single day. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and that's what I walk with every day, and I film every day. I film everything that I do every day. It's gonna be different every day. One day I'll be doing this, I'll be doing that, I'll be doing whatever. One day I might be just cleaning toilets. One day I might be sitting editing videos. It's just my life every day and what I do. As I said, this channel is not a how-to channel. I know a lot of stuff. I could focus on just doing one particular thing, but as I said, because I'm doing so much different things, there wouldn't be any time for me to just make content specific stuff, right? For the content. So it's just what I do every day. I film whatever I do all day. As I said, I've been making some longer videos. I'm trying to cut those videos down to 30 or less, you know, sometimes 40, but I'm doing my best. It's just that I do a lot, and I'm trying to cover everything because I'm talking throughout that process. So as I said, thank you for those subscriptions, guys. I notice it's picking up. I'm getting more subscribers. I'm getting more views. The analytics is saying that more people are watching but not subscribing. So those who are watching, please just hit that button. It doesn't cost anything. It's a beautiful morning. It's, you know, it's always beautiful here. I don't care what nobody want to say. If it's raining, it's beautiful. If I wake up, it's beautiful. So you guys, if you're having a bad day, just shake that shit off and, you know, keep it moving, guys. It's a great day. You woke up, so it's a great day. I'm gonna head out because I want to get started with the day. The sun is just coming out. I believe it's like 7. I said 6:30, but it's like 7 in the morning. I don't have my watch or anything like that. So I'm gonna head down to this not to the salon now, to the truck yard, swap out the vehicles, and get the pickup truck, get the pallet rack, head back up, go to the salon. So I'm here just making some changes to the video for this morning to be uploaded. So once I get done with that, I'm gonna hit the road. So I'll see you on the road on the way down to the truck yard, guys. Stay tuned, guys. It's life every day, so you know we gotta empty the garbage. So over here we got recycle and we got regular garbage. Well, I got some recycle too. Yeah, so I was saying before, this vlog is about me doing anything. It could be me emptying the garbage. This vlog, this channel is about what I do on a daily, the regular stuff. Not, I don't pick and choose. It could be anything. Most people vlog about just the good stuff. I'm vlogging the good and the bad. Yeah, we got a recycle right there. Yeah. So as I said, the channel is about me doing whatever. It could be me cleaning my shoes, it could be me emptying the garbage, cleaning the toilet. I'll pick up the camera and I'll vlog just random stuff, like whatever I have to do that day. Some things I don't get everything. I don't get to vlog every single thing because it's just so much things I do in a day. But you know, most of the highlights, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna vlog me putting on my shoes. Maybe, you know, one of the vlogs I'll have that where I'm putting on my shoe, but not every day are you gonna see me vlog putting on a shoe, you know what I'm saying? So alright, so we got that. There's that. Put this one up. Yeah. So now I'm putting out the garbage. Line them. I think I just showed my mailbox, guys. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Yeah. So now I'm gonna head out. There's a van right there. I'm gonna head out and swap that van out. Let me just go wash my hands. I'm gonna swap that van out and get the pickup truck. Once I get the pickup truck, I'm gonna head back up to the salon, finish up on the salon. I just have the floors to clean in one room and then a few tiles to change in the other room. By that time, then I'll go over to the by the time I'm done with the salon, I'll go over to the Peppers project and wait for them to deliver the hood. Now, for my Jamaican people, wanna hear me say hood all the time. take on the mine out of the gutter. That extraction fan that you see that go in the kitchen, in the commercial kitchens, that goes over your stove. It's like a vent that goes over your stove with a fan that sucks the air out, and that we call hood. So nobody come beat me up. Extraction fan for you Jamaican people. That do not probably call it extraction fan for the kitchen. So yeah, I'm gonna go and wait on the extraction fan to be delivered. You know? So, alright guys, just stay tuned. I'm gonna put this bag into my garbage can, put that back in, and then head out. Alright guys, so we're here at the truck yard picking up Bertha, Big Bertha. So yeah guys, let me start her up guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna pick up this truck right here, and I'm going to get borrow the pallet jack. There's a pallet jack back there somewhere. I'm trying. Alright, one kick. Bertha start up. Bertha good to go. Yeah guys, so as y'all know, this is a truck yard right here. Got a couple trucks parked up over here. I got the trailer over in the corner over there, the food trailer. Guys, I'm selling that food trailer, so anyone watching this and interested in a food trailer, it's for sale. It's not finished yet. It still has it has the electrical, plumbing and stuff done in there, but the finishing is not done yet. Like the walls is not finished with the, you know, FRP or whatever you choose. Ceiling is not finished. It has the ply and everything finished, insulated and everything, but no finish material in there yet. The hood is not installed. The hood and the fan. It just depends. Every kitchen is different. Some people might want it to the left or the right. It's you know, I didn't install it because of that reason. So trailer is brand new. It's a brand new trailer. It's brand new, brand spanking new. I bought it brand new from the manufacturers. I just never got around to finish it. Yeah, so as I said, you know, brand new trailer. Installed windows, and you know, those screened windows, the one that flips up. I installed a awning in there, steps. I did a lot of work to it in terms of the trailer, because we bought the trailer brand new bare. There was no, he only had that center door in the back, but no windows and, you know, space to put the generator in, stuff like that. There was no doors for those things, so I put all those in. That serving table, that you know, when you walk up to that window, service window, there's a little shelf right there, put that on. There's a bunch of stuff. I did the electrical, is done already with the switches and everything, so it's just to finish it up. So I'm just gonna sell it as a unfinished project. Whoever buys it, they could tailor it to however they want their kitchen to set up. There's a 3-tier sink in there and a hand wash sink in there already. The refrigerators, I have refrigerators and equipment table and stuff, but those I'm gonna take out because I'm gonna use them in the peppers project. So I'm gonna take the equipment, the grill and stuff like that. I'm gonna take those out. So it's just a bare trailer with the hood and exhaust system. That's what is for sale. And the sinks, you know. But yeah, that I'm gonna put for sale, and I'm no longer gonna planning on going on the road to do any kind of events or anything like that. Guys, me I get old. Me no have no time for really go out and go bleach and stay out all night doing that. I'm trying to build more, you know, brick and mortar type of stuff that, you know what I'm saying, we could employ some people and you know, manage those, you know, to go out on the road and prepping to go on the road for a food trailer, and it's just a lot of work. It's rough work. I did it for a couple of years with the previous restaurant, so it's too much. It's just too much. Maybe when I was younger, then I would probably do that, but now, you know, guys, I only look young. I ain't that young. I only look young. You know what I'm saying? Look, I look young. I found the fountain of youth, and I drank that water, and I looked young, but I ain't that young. So right now, I don't want to go back into doing that, doing events and being out 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, prepping, being there all day. It's long hours. Because when you do an event like one of those party events, you pretty much you gotta prep before you get there, right? So when you prep before you get there, that's prepping from the day before or 2 days before. And then when you get to the event, you gotta go there early in the morning to set up and get everything ready. You have to have staff. You gotta, it's just too much. It's a lot. So I don't want to do that anymore, to be honest. It's just too much on the body, you know. And it's risky too, because you spend a lot of money setting up these things and prepping and buying up all that food, and the event could get canceled. That's one. It could be a flop where no one shows up, or not enough people show up, so they don't spend. It could be a thing where people show up but they just decide not to spend. So it just depends. It's a gamble. That is always a gamble. I don't think it's lucrative for those who's doing it, don't get me wrong, but here where I'm at, there's just too much competition right now. A lot of people after the shutdown quit their jobs, quit their corporate jobs, quit whatever they were doing, and went out and invested in trailers. So now we're having too much trailers all over, you know. Hold on 1 second, guys. Alright guys, so see, I got the pallet jack right there. I gotta get it up in the back of that truck. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. These things are kind of heavy, but we're gonna figure it out. So let me set you up right here, and let's see if we could get it up in there. We're gonna fight with it, get it up there. This is what I gotta do life every day, guys. When you work alone, ain't nobody over here, so I don't have no help. Yeah, ain't nobody over here, so I don't have anyone to help me. So we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna probably try and put this part up on the tailgate first. Then so we got that part up. Guys, that wasn't too bad. We got it. got it done. See, everything is loaded. I don't think it's gonna run anywhere. I lowered it so it can't go forward. It's all the way up there on this blanket, and then it's jammed between here, so I don't think you'll roll around from here. So all right, let's get or make our way up to the salon. Park the van over here. Oh, that little car right there, guys, I'm gonna get rid of it. I own that car too. Let me show it to you. It's a little Corolla. So I got this guy who wants to buy it. You know, he's running and driving everything. He just needs a paint job, but he runs and drive. So hold on, guys. Hello? Damn. Yeah. Which one? Oh, that right there. Alright, guys, so Virgin want a battery, so I got a new one right here. We're gonna take it over here real quick. Guys, how am I do the lock? Lock drop, guys, lock drop. All right. Let's go, guys. All right, so as I said, this is how we're doing life every day. It's just random stuff. I'm doing one thing and then something else comes up. You know, let's take this battery and I'll put it in the back. Set you right here. Whew. It's hot today. Alright, so that's strapped. Alright, let's go, guys, let's go. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so we're in Smokey. We're heading out to close the gate. As I said, we're gonna drop that battery off and then head back up to the salon. Oh, I gotta drop some stuff for my daughter and make sure I got it. Yeah, I got it. All right, so let me close this gate and then
check something, guys. I go check the other storage, make sure I locked it. I remember putting the lock on there, but let me just go double check. Alright, yeah, it's locked. Alright, I'm gonna try and see if I could get one of these little vans right here, guys, for the restaurant. I could probably buy this one from him. But yeah, this little van right here, I'm gonna need something like this to so I could pick up and drop off stuff for the restaurant. I just need something nice and small like this one. I'll probably work something out with it. Yeah. Well, yeah, guys, look, I'm sweating. Look at my face. I'm sweating, guys. Woo, it's hot. The sun is hot today. Look, sun is out. It's hot. Let me close it. Alright, so let me head on over, drop this battery off. I'll check back in with you later. Alright, guys, so I'm pulling up over here by my virgin shop. They at a cement. They work at a cement truck shop. So this is where I'm taking the battery. Alright, let's go see the bird. Bird! Oh, he over there. Taking the battery. All they do is work on cement trucks over here. It's a cement company, so they be working on the trucks, doing tires, doing mechanical work, engine work. They do all sorts of stuff over here when it comes to trucks. What's going on there, bird? What you want it? Oh, here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Say hi to your fans, bird.
Oh shit! Hey, all right.
You know,
morning.
What I'm saying, I see you got that little Ford Transit over there. What, you're going to donate it to the restaurant later on in life?
Donate?
Yeah, your fans watching, they hear it, you know.
Yeah, we donate.
They hear you saying, we're gonna rebuild that engine and donate it later on, you know.
Yeah,
that's right. You have to tell the fans that good. You can't, you know. That come in handy right there. So see, that's Mr. Bird right there. He put the battery in the truck right there, you know. He said he's gonna donate the Ford Transit over by his lot for a good cause for the restaurant. We need something to run around once the restaurant starts, you know. That's the man right here. He's everybody's dad. Look, Daddy Bird.
Daddy Bird, man.
Daddy Bird, you know. This man make everything happen. You see, look, this big old ass truck that whatever. He get a battery and it make it happen, you know.
got them. That's what we're trying. Y'all clean them apart, you put it in.
That's fine. That's a good fire.
Great fire with this.
Oh yeah.
The tongue empty.
Sometimes you know, you do certain things and you say some things to people and they don't realize what you say.
You know?
10 feet out. Huh?
Yeah, little more. I big man, that you know, a big man, you know, daddy. I'm my daddy for everybody, you know. So we drop off the battery. Look at me, I sweat, guys. Me, I sweat. So wait, guys, it's hot already here in Georgia. Here, let's see what kind of degrees it is. Let's see what kind of degrees it is over here. It's in Duluth. That's alright. That can't right. That's a 72. That can't alright. Oh, 86 degrees here in where I'm at, guys. So it's getting up there. It's gonna be, and it's not even, it's still morning time. It's just 10 o'clock and it's 86 degrees. So I'm expecting it to be in the 90s by the time the sun come over. There's no clouds or anything, so it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot today. All right, so let me head on over here, guys. We were at the cement yard. So we heading out. I dropped off the battery for him. So now I'm going to head back up to the restaurant. Oh, I gotta drop something for my daughter. So let me call her real quick and see. She's there. Look on this foolishness. Them two people are parked side by side. Yeah. Double park in the road, guys. I could barely fit. Well, let me figure out. Alright, guys, I'm gonna meet you back up. I'm gonna here and meet you. I'm gonna check back in once I get up to the salon. Yeah, it's right there. I was telling you the grass kind of delicate. This grass right here is delicate, so it burns real quick. If it's too hot or you know anything sit on it, it just burns, just dries up. I don't know what's going on with it. So this little area right here is like it's a different type of grass, different from right here. I don't know. Apparently the person who put this grass down there, they had put two different type of grass. But this is what it is. Anyhow, stopped by the house to pick up the board, some board, so I could slide that. That hood system out once they deliver it. So I stopped to pick up some boards that I put at the back of the pickup truck. I have them in the garage. That way it will be easier for me to slide it out, you know? Once they deliver it. You'll see, I'm gonna record it. Alright, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna head over to the salon and then from there we're gonna meet the delivery truck between 1 and 4. Stay tuned.